Customize the quick access toolbar, show menu bar. Next step, from the drop down menu view, activate the command motion path animation. Select other point, and on the work field select the path. Set name, OK, and set the point. Click that button on the dialog window. Next step, select the point, endpoint of that parameter. Next step, point name, maybe change point name, but I am only click and show me preview, please, that button. Preview some more that windows and play another one. Okay, that good. Next step, click OK and set the file name. That's all of the AutoCAD path animation, and save.